A few days ago, I witnessed firsthand 2 shark attacks. On June 7th in Walton County, Florida, occurred 3 shark attacks in the span of 90 minutes. How many times have you been sitting in class or at work thinking, I wish I was at the beach right now, soaking in the water? Well, these were my thoughts exactly a few weeks ago, but I may never think of the ocean the same again. Hi, my name is Carolina Platt, and today I will be sharing awareness on shark attacks. After experiencing a shark attack, I researched these predators and learned their general nature and characteristics, precautions to take to avoid getting bitten, and what to do in the occurrence of an attack. How much do you know about sharks? Can you name 3 species? Let's get into some simple shark facts to better understand these creatures. There are many different species of sharks that come in all shapes and sizes, live in different places, and prefer different diets. When someone says shark, you're probably thinking great white, as this is a commonly known species and is actually the largest predator fish in the world. However, you are unlikely to encounter a great white near shores because of their preference in diets, size, and according to research group O-Shark, tend to hang out away from beaches and continental shelf waters. However, it is important to note that some species of sharks do take habitat in shallow waters. Just to name a few, there's blacktip, tiger, sharpnose, have all been spotted in shallow waters even at depths of 2 to 3 feet, on beaches and in rivers, according to Ocean Conservatory. One to be aware of on beaches is the bull shark. They have been reported to live all over and are known to be quite aggressive. Tiger, bull, and the great white shark are the big 3 apex predators that can be harmful to humans. It is important to realize, though, that humans are not in the typical shark diet, and most sharks are not interested in eating you, and are more just simply curious, just like your pets. These creatures are also vital to ecosystems, as they are apex predators and keep other species populations at a minimum and controlled. Now that you have a basic understanding of sharks and know that they are normally not interested in humans, take peace in that fact. However, fear and anxiousness are hard emotions to overcome. So let's discuss ways to take precaution before entering their home to enjoy your beach day. According to the International Shark File, there are steps to be aware of to avoid encountering or being attacked by a shark. Firstly, know your surroundings. Make sure there is a lifeguard or a trained individual present in case of an emergency. Do not get in the water on the beach if there's been a shark sighting within the past few hours. Second, always stay in groups. Sharks are more likely to bite a solitary individual, according to the International Shark File. Refrain from getting in the water if you're bleeding, wearing shiny clothes or jewelry, as these attract sharks because they see contrast very well and their nose is very strong. Lastly, be aware when occupying sandbars. As we know, this is where many sharks take habitat. Also, refrain from any excess splashing, as this draws shark attention and could get them excited and lead to an attack. Now, there are 2 different types of shark bites. There's provoked and unprovoked. As you can guess, unprovoked shark bites are very uncommon and really only happen when a shark is curious or mistakes you for food. On the other hand, provoked bites are when a human intentionally or unintentionally instigates an attack. This can happen by harassing a shark, trying to feed it, or spearfishing. You can prevent a provoked attack by respecting the ocean and understanding that sharks are predators. The likelihood of a shark attack is 1 in 3.75 million chances. However, I witnessed 2 in the span of 90 minutes. Even after taking these precautions, an accident can still occur. So it is important to be prepared and know how to react in an attack. Now I will be talking about how to react and what to do in the event of an attack on the beach. There are 3 scenarios. In each, it is very important to remember to remain calm. Scenario 1 is when you witness a fellow beach vacationer get attacked. In this event, again, it is important to remain calm. Exit the water calmly to prevent a second attack. As we know, splashing arouses sharks and can get their attention. And make sure the victim is receiving help getting out of the water and away from the shark. If the victim is receiving help, call 911 immediately. After alerting authorities, try to stop the bleeding by applying pressure or finding some sort of tourniquet. This could be a belt or even a swimsuit trunk string. Next, move your belongings out of the way for help to get to the victim efficiently. In this next scenario, the same steps follow. However, you might be a little more distraught if one of your loved ones is bitten. If you are swimming near or next to them, again, get them out of the water as calmly and quickly as possible. If the shark won't let go, try punching it in the eye or the gills, as these are sensitive spots for the shark and will deter it from attacking any further. Make sure others are getting out of the water as well, and try to comfort the victim. Again, call for help immediately, try to stop the bleeding with a tourniquet, and trust that help is coming and knows what to do when they get there. This last scenario is if you yourself are attacked. Try to grab the attention of people nearby to signal that you are in trouble. Remember to remain calm because, as we know, any sudden movements or excess splashing will arouse and excite the shark. Next, try to stay awake, and hopefully those around you have helped you out of the water, called for help, and found some sort of tourniquet. Again, trust that help is coming and knows what to do when they get there. In summary, it is important to be aware of your surroundings on the beach, as you never know if an accident or three could occur that day. You now know that sharks really are not interested in humans because of their differences in diets and are really just curious creatures. You also know what precautions to take on the beach and how to respond in the event of an attack. On the screen, you can see an infographic from Shark Bands that I included as a quick reminder. And remember that although shark attacks are scary, it is actually more likely that you'll be struck by lightning than be bitten by a shark on the beach. Stay safe, and thanks for listening.